Welcome to this video tutorial from Business Gateway. In this session, we'll look at one of the fundamental principles of search engine optimization, or SEO, understanding keywords. While the world of SEO is constantly changing with new tactics and ways to try and influence Google to put your website top of the results page, a good understanding of keywords is usually at the heart of any SEO plan. We'll be helping you understand what keywords are and how to carry out some basic keyword research using a few simple and free tools. If you're new to all of this, then before we get going, just a little reminder that Business Gateway can support you on this journey. This video tutorial aims to give you a good understanding of the basics to consider. But if you need more help, then get in touch with your local Business Gateway office direct and they'll be able to help you get started. So, what are keywords? Well, keywords is simply the term we give to anything searched for on a search engine, whether that search be a single word, phrase, or question. If someone is searching for Kelly's Accountants, for example, they might enter the business name into Google. That's assuming they've heard of the business already. And if not, then they might search for the thing they're looking to find, such as accountants in Paisley or accountant for small business. An increasingly common type of keyword search is to ask specific questions. So maybe someone might ask, how can I get help with my tax return? In the SEO world, these are all considered keywords or keyword phrases. And it's important that you understand what these keywords are so that you can then optimize your website to contain similar or even matching content. Keyword research helps you figure out the search terms that people might be using to find you online. If you do it correctly, you'll hopefully attract the right type of web visitors who make inquiries and convert. If you do it incorrectly, you might get web traffic, but you won't get the right type of visitors or make any sales. There are so many great keyword research tools available to use online, many of them paid-for tools that require a subscription. But there's also some simple free tools that can help too. In this video, we're going to look at just two methods of doing keyword research for free. Using the Google search engine directly, and then using a free tool from Google called Google Trends. You'll probably know that when you or your customers begin to do a search on Google, it starts to auto-predict what you might be looking for. So if, for example, I start typing into Google the word yoga, it immediately predicts what the rest of that search might be. In this case, suggesting yoga mat or yoga poses and yoga classes near me. The predicted searches are not just random suggestions, they're actually based on what other people are searching Google for, relevant current keywords that you can learn from. If you're a yoga tutor and your website isn't mentioning specific poses or recommending suitable yoga mats, then you've missed a trick. Other simple ways to learn what the popular keywords are related to your topic is to actually search for something. In this case, we've submitted the search for planning a wedding and see what comes up on Google under the People Also Ask section. Now, what you usually get is actual related questions that people are typing into Google, again giving you ideas for great content to match these keywords and ultimately answer their questions. Search a little further down the Google results page and you'll also usually see the People Also Search For section. These are closely related phrases to your original, giving you more food for thought as to what people are actually looking for, allowing you to consider whether your website should use any of the words and phrases suggested. Google Trends provides another simple, effective, and free way of doing keyword research. It's great for seeing what people are searching for right now, or historically over a previous period of time. The best way to use it is to compare different keywords and phrases. So if, for example, a physiotherapist is wondering what they should create more content about, it makes a lot of sense to base it on what people are actually searching for. So in this case, a comparative search for the keywords back pain versus neck pain. And that shows that back pain comes out on top, with around an additional 50% of people searching for that term over the last month. So it would make sense for us to talk more about that topic on our website, in the hope we make more Google keyword matches. Now that you've carried out some keyword research and you know what's actually being searched for in relation to your business and its products or services, the next step is to take that knowledge and apply it to your website. In the full Business Gateway webinar, this is explained in more detail, showing you which parts of your website to prioritise. But for now, to optimise your website, you simply need to start using those identified keywords and phrases more than you currently are. Use them on your homepage, your product pages, your blog posts, and more. Start making sure Google is able to match more customer keywords with your website content. Now, don't be tempted to try to manipulate Google by stuffing in keywords. That's where you mention the same words or phrases too frequently and in an unnatural way, or where you use popular keywords that aren't related to your business just to try to climb higher up the Google rankings. If you do this, there's a risk your website could be penalised by Google and other search engines. Most websites would benefit from making greater use of keywords, but keep what you say similar to the way you would speak naturally. So let's quickly recap. The basis of search engine optimization is understanding your customers' search behaviour. What are they searching for when looking for you, your business, your products, and your location? Not what do you call these things, instead, what do they call them when they're searching Google? Once you've done that research, once you know the right words and phrases to use, get that content on your website. Well, hopefully this short video has helped you better understand the basics of SEO and keyword research. If you want to take this further, Business Gateway has webinars covering all aspects of SEO. Visit the website for more details along with other webinars, in-person events and tutorials. They're all designed to support you and your team whatever stage your business is at.